Hey everybody, welcome to Kaboomstack. This is your host Robbie, and today we're going to go through another daily bugforge challenge. But this time it's a new one, and it's about dice. So if you're a D&D fan, this one's perfect for you. So if you're ready to blow up bad security, let's go. Okay, so I don't really have a whole lot of time to do this. So I'm going to speed run it, kind of show you guys something cool. So here we see like this dice roller called Dice Forge, and you can sit there and you can drop like a tray or your dice, and then you can click roll. And then you can sit there and say, cool, give me a number, and then you can check the history. Pretty easy, right? So here, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our API role here. And here we see something interesting. We see something called dice options. But we don't really know what that is, right? So I think a good way to test for that is we'll do some fuzzing. So what I'm going to do is I want to actually set this into maybe like some separate commands maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and put in kind of a spacer here, and then I'm going to type in fuzz. So this will be kind of our entry point to what we want to look for. So let's go ahead and do that. Now what I did, and talking about custom word lists, I actually created a custom word list from the top 50 Linux commands. So here you can see I put it in user share, seclist discovery, Linux commands, top 50 commands. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that run. Now, something interesting about this enumeration process is I actually saw that most of the requests came back at 200 OK. So a big thing for us that we need to look at is the round trip, or the length of the command. So we need to see what's really there. Sorry, I apologize. So let's just go ahead and flip through this really quick. So we see something interesting. So we see this one looks a little abnormal, the who am I. So we see that we're running dice roll who am I. And we do see the bugs. I wanted to show that immediately just because I don't really have a lot of time. But the goal here is we should take a look at the round trip. So if we look at the different round trips, we do see a lot of kind of similar numbers, kind of different things. But we do see that the who am I, it's a little different. So we see that it's different. But then if we look back here, we do see some of the other stuff, it's just not sticking. So in my case, I think that looking at the length and the round trip is really, really important. So we see that this one is different than other ones because you don't really see another 429 anymore. You see like 419s, 330s, stuff like this. So this one is like the most unique. So guys, hopefully that enumeration process helped you a little bit and you were able to find a bug. And we'll see you guys in the next challenge. Thank you.